Hi. So I wanted to show you my project. I got the new strut just installed. Look at that. Just installed her. Got her all painted, all sparkled up. So we got one strut on. Got it all cleaned up in here. Cleaned up all the trays, got a new filter. Cleaned that all up, cleaned everything up. The wipers, if you keep working at the wipers for a few minutes, they'll pop out. Just be gentle and keep working it, and the wipers will pop out. They got those grooves in there that got to slide out. So if you just work at it, they'll pop out. And the tray was easy. So yeah, we're gonna do the other one in a couple minutes. As soon as I relax here, I'm all excited. I just got it bolted in. I'm about to lower it down. And they match the new rear shocks. I got brand new rear shocks back there. It should be this upgraded sport shock, the heavy duty sport shock that I got back there. So new shocks. The new exhaust is on. The new exhaust is on. And the bottom of the shocks here are glow in the dark. I painted them so they glow. So the bottoms of the shocks glow. The whole shock is nice. Full exhaust system on there. Like full headers back exhaust system I got on there. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. My other project. So that's what I'm doing today. That's what we're doing today. Love you.